You ready? Stay here while I hide it, okay? We're going to hide it in that shelf right there. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, go! It's there, but you can't reach. Oh, I put it too far. It's hard, isn't it? You want mommy to help? Do you want mommy to help? Good boy! So round 1 goes to Doby. Okay, round 2. We are going to put it behind the pillow here. You guys ready for round 2? 1, 2, 3. Wait. Go! Oh, I thought they had it. Toby, you have to use the stairs. Where are they going? Where are you going? Wow, I can't believe they can't find it. That's so easy. Oh, I think you got it. Oh. Look at those two butts arguing. Blue kind of deserves this one though. Good boy, Blue Blue. Good boy. Round 2 goes to Blue Blue. Okay, for round 3, we're gonna put it in the chair like that. So it's in the chair cushion. It's kind of high, so it should be a little difficult. Guys, this is a tiebreaker. This is the last round. 1, 2, 3, go! I think the big guy smells it. No, maybe. Checking to see if it's in the same spot as last time, huh? Wrong chair. Good boy uses the chairs. Or the stairs. Where is it? Oh! Oh! Good boy, Blue Blue! He heard me. Like, shh, darn. Good boy!